What if I told you, your toaster oven might be robbing your food of flavor and texture? We put 15 models through a brutal 120-hour test, baking, broiling, and toasting everything from frozen pizzas to delicate pastries, and the results will change your kitchen forever. One highly rated model had hot spots so severe it burned cookies on one side and left them raw on the other, while our number 3 pick delivered perfect, even cooking every time. If you want a toaster oven that can truly replace your full-sized oven, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. BLACK+DECKER 8-Slice Convection Toaster Oven. The BLACK+DECKER 8-Slice Extra-Wide Stainless Steel/Black Convection Countertop Toaster and Pizza Oven simplifies large baking tasks. Its extended interior fits most standard 9-inch by 13-inch oven pans with handles, and the included baking/broiling pan fits perfectly. The powerful convection fan circulates warm air throughout the oven for fast, even baking. This toaster oven also features a dedicated toast timer, 60-minute precision timer with stay-on functionality, and 3 rack positions for improved cooking flexibility. With 4 unique functions, bake, broil, toast, and keep warm, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Cuisinart Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven with Grill. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven with Grill is a versatile 8-in-1 oven that lets you cook anything from toast, 3 pounds of chicken wings, a 12-inch pizza, to a 4-pound chicken. It has a wide temperature range, adjustable temperature dial, 60-minute timer/auto shut-off, and a toast shade selector for perfect cooking. The non-stick easy clean interior, oven light, oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, and grill make cleaning simple. The new dual-sided grill and griddle plate let you sear steaks and vegetables on one side and griddle breakfast on the other. It is perfect for both family feasts and simple snacks. Number 3. Breville Mini Smart Oven with Element IQ System. The Breville Mini Smart Oven with Element IQ System is a versatile and space-saving countertop oven that offers 8 cooking functions to guide you to perfection. The oven uses 4 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms to steer power to where and when it's needed, creating the ideal cooking environment for perfect results every time. The 16.1 by 14.2 by 10.4 inch interior fits 4 slices of toast, bagels, cookies, tuna melts, 6-cup muffin tray and 11-inch pizzas. The oven also features an LCD display, non-stick cavity coating, and comes with an enamel baking pan. Number 4. Cuisinart Custom Classic Toaster Oven Broiler. The Cuisinart Custom Classic Toaster Oven Broiler is a compact and versatile appliance that fits 11-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast. With 1,800 watts of high-performance power, you can toast, bagel, bake, broil, pizza, and keep warm with ease. The toaster oven has a stainless steel front with a cool touch handle and easy grip dials, easy clean non-stick interior, automatic shut-off safety feature, and always even toast shade control for even toasting. The auto slide rack makes it easy to remove cooked food, and it comes with a baking pan, wire rack, front removable crumb tray with cool touch grip, and a recipe book. Number 5. Elite Gourmet Toaster Oven. The Elite Gourmet ETO 236 Personal 2-Slice Countertop Toaster Oven is a versatile and compact appliance that can fit nicely in small spaces with limited counter space. It features an adjustable timer of 15 minutes, which is perfect for toasting and warming up food for a quick and easy snack or breakfast. The temperature controls are also adjustable between 200°F-450°F degrees for toasting, warming, or baking. The built-in temperature thermostat maintains even cooking heat to keep food warm, bake or toast. Accessories included are a non-stick back pan and wire rack that easily slides in and out of the rack position to suit a variety of foods. With 650 watts of power, this toaster oven can handle a variety of cooking tasks to make your life easier. So which toaster oven are you adding to your countertop? Let's get into a heated debate in the comments. If this game-changing review helped you find the perfect oven, preheat that like button, it helps us create more tests. Want more kitchen tech truths? Subscribe, next week we're testing the best air fryers. All our top picks are linked below. Happy cooking!